Hey y'all, we just got ourselves a new fishing reel, so I want to do an unboxing here while I'm at the lake. We're going to put it on a rod and try and catch some fish. So let's see, this is what the packaging looks like, right straight from Piscifun. I think that's how you say it, Piscifun. The reel has really good specs for only being 50 bucks. I got 15% off when I added my email, and all together with shipping and tax, it was $47. And that is a pretty sweet looking box. I got the Phantom X, 7:6:1 gear ratio. Ultra smooth, reliable is what it says on the box. Let's get this sucker open and see what it looks like. The weight is 6.9 ounces, 18 pounds of drag, 8 ball bearings, or 8 bearings. It'll hold 120 yards of 30-pound braid, and that's what I bought. I bought some 30-pound braid to put on it. Let's see what it looks like. Ooh, it comes with a sticker. Carbon fiber handle. It's light. It's the instant anti-reverse is kind of sloppy. It's not as smooth as it reels smooth. Like it feels smooth. It's got a big handle. It's a little sloppy. I don't know if you can see that, but let's see. The drag's got clicks on it. Let's see, how does this open? There we go. Side piece opens, and oh, that's cool. I'm gonna start off with 3. It's got a little wheel that you can spin to set how much assistance it gives you. Interesting. We'll just start out in the middle. Put that back on. Yeah, it just sounds sloppy. It's super smooth. Everything's got clicks on it. I don't know. Let's put some line on it and see what happens. Oh, maybe I just need to tighten this up. Oh no, still kind of sloppy. I'm gonna put it on my spinnerbait and worm rod from ACK. I love this rod. I did a fishing video a couple weeks ago, but I got skunked, so you guys will probably never see that. So I picked up some of this H2O premium bladed line. It's 8 strand. I'm gonna compare it to the Suffix 832 because that's my favorite line. That's usually what I put on everything. But this was $10, so $8 cheaper. And since I got such a cheap reel, I figured I'd try some cheap line and see if we can get together with a budget system set up here that it's actually pretty good quality. So this braided line actually looked good. I took it out and compared it in the store to the Suffix, and it's supple, it's smooth. It doesn't seem like it's gonna take a long time to break in. Let's go ahead and just put this on the reel. I'm just gonna hold this spool in between my feet like that. Right, that looks about perfect. Just under that lip. There we go. Now, time for my double uni knot to my 20-pound mono leader, because I think I'm gonna start with a wacky worm. Last time I went fishing, I got skunked, and I can't afford to get skunked again. So we're gonna do a double uni knot to my 20-pound leader and start out with a wacky worm. All right, and we are ready. Let me cut off a section. Whew, there they are right there next to shore. Definitely catching a fish today. About 6 feet. I like to do about 6 feet. I also brought a buzzbait. We might be able to get some buzzbait fish if they're up surfacing like that, chasing minnows once the wind dies down. Whew! Right, that is going to catch me a fish today. Look, it looks pretty sweet though with the white and the black and the red, the carbon fiber handle. Whew! And that ACK rod is super sensitive. Let's go get some fish. All right, before we put the kayak in, I'm going to give this a couple casts, because I just saw a fish jump over there. Let's see here, I want to go through this side. Oh yeah, that's money. There's one. Yes. Oh, he already threw my worm off. Come on, little guy. Whew, he's feisty. There we go. Let's see how long he is. Settle down. Oh. He was supposed to let me measure him. He was probably only like 15. Well, that was a fail. My drag was too loose. But we're not skunked. We got the first one in the boat. The new reel works. All right, y'all, let's go get the paddling on. That might be a fish. Yes, it is. All right, I'm gonna measure this one before I take him off the hook. 14. There you go, little guy. And I lost another worm. Look at that guy though, healthy. Beautiful little bass. I'm going to activate another one of these too. Let's go to 4. Yeah, there we go. Yes, I'm on 4 now because I'm still fighting backlashes. That might be better. It's a brand new reel, man. You got to get it dialed in. And I am definitely going to have to use the anchor. Well, we got 2 on the worm. I also have this swim bait Carolina rig rod, also from ACK. This one is 7'6", and it's a heavy. So I think I'm going to put that buzzbait on this one. All right, we're going to throw this on there and see how it works. I've actually never caught a buzzbait fish. I wish it wasn't so windy because I can hear them surfacing. They're out here. I can hear them. I just don't know where they are. So we're gonna try this. Look at that. That's cool. All right, well that's tied on. Oop, I just felt one right there. Oh yeah. Oh, that's a nice one. He pulled some, oh, he's still pulling drag. This is a good fish. Oh, get out of them weeds. Get out of them weeds. Oh, that's a nice fish. Come to my thumb. Come to my thumb. Come on. Come on. Oh, that's a nice fish. Got it. Oh, that's a nice fish right there, boys. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Right on the edge of these weeds. Oh, my gosh. That's awesome. Golly, that's a nice fish. Oh. That's a nice fish, guys. Holy cow. Oh, right in the top of the mouth. That's a nice fish. I don't know how many times I have to say that, but I'm going to keep saying it because that is a nice fish. I don't know if I can get it unhooked. He's right hooked tight in the top of the mouth. There we go. Look at that. You need the pliers. All right. Now this fish is going to get a weight if I can find my scale. I know I brought it. Nope. It must be in the front. Well, let's see if we can get a length on it anyways. Now, do not jump. Do not jump. Chill, chill, chill. He doesn't want to chill. Close your mouth. He doesn't want to close his mouth. But I'm showing about 18, just a hair under 18. Look at that. Get that tail down, boy. Yeah, I would say 17 and just a hair under 18, guys. That's a nice, fat, healthy bass. Look at that thing. Oh, yeah. Beautiful. We'll put him back. Come on, buddy. There he goes. Super healthy. Oh yeah, that wind is dying nicely. Look at this. Let's see if we can get us a buzzbait fish right here on this edge. I put the anchor down, so we're in a pretty good spot. Let's see if we can get one to come up and eat this. That would be cool. It looks good. I think that's how it's supposed to look. That right there was a turtle. Well, we know they're eating the worm, so let's keep fishing that. Plus, I really want to catch some more fish on this new reel. Get it broken in. This new rod. That's the first fish I've caught on this reel and on this rod. And I am extremely happy with both. See, everything about this reel is kind of... You can definitely tell it's cheap. It has some features that I really like the clicks in the drag. Hear that? And then the clicks in the spool tension. It casts good. It just feels like, you can hear that? It's a little flimsy. Like there's play. It doesn't feel solid. But it casts smooth. And it reels smooth. What do you expect for 50 bucks? Less than 50 bucks out the door. But yeah, I really like this setup. It's cheap. It's a good worming setup. Cannot complain. Now I'm going to throw this buzzbait a little bit. Maybe put on a frog and finish up today along that shoreline with the frog. This reel, this Daiwa, it was like 150 bucks just for the reel, but that was like 10 years ago. But it's solid. Like, it's only a 100 size, so it's kind of small. 6:3 to 1 gear ratio, but it is solid. I've never fished a buzzbait before. So I'm just kind of messing around, testing out this new rod too. It's a heavy, 7 foot 6 inch heavy, and it casts this buzzbait a mile. But yeah, I think that other reel and that other rod are going to be my worming setup, and then I'll keep this one for my swim baits, my buzz baits, my frogs. This rod is beefy. Got him! Yes! 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 Oh yes! First buzzbait bass! Oh yes! Come on, don't come off! Don't come off! Don't come off! Don't come off! Come to me! Come to me! Yes! Oh, he ate it! Yes! That is my first buzzbait bass. All right, let's get this guy. Let's get him measured. $15. So a 15-inch bass will eat a buzzbait. That was so cool. That was super cool. Hey y'all, Brandon here with Be Random Fishing. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. It was a blast. We got to try out the new Piscifun. It's the Phantom X, and for a cheap reel, it's pretty decent. Casts good, it's smooth. It's got clickers on the drag, the spool tensioner. It's got the same anti-backlash system as a Shimano. It's the centrifugal. It's got a carbon fiber handle. It's the only thing I don't like, it's real light. It's real lightweight too. The only thing I don't like about it is it's a little flimsy, like it doesn't feel real solid. But for my backup, for my worm-in reel, like this will be good for worm-in, and just my lighter tackle. It's real light, it casts real good. Super happy with it. And the line that I have on it is the Academy brand H2O Express 30-pound braid. It's quality stuff, man. It's right up there with the Suffix. I don't like Power Pro. I don't like Power Pro. It's got like a plastic coating almost. This is real supple, just like the Suffix 832. I'm super happy with this braid. And then of course, this Senko from Gary Yamamoto did the work today. But I also got these rods. So this rod, this ACK series, this is the heavy 7 foot 6. And I was throwing this buzzbait, and I've never caught a buzzbait fish before. I was just throwing it around trying to test the rod out, see how it handles a little bit heavier bait, how it casts. I ended up catching one on the buzzbait. Super awesome, and super happy with this rod. It's a really nice rod. And I have the same ACK series rod, but the 7 foot medium for my worm-in rod. So this is gonna be my new setup. I got the 2 ACK rods, the Piscifun Phantom X on my worm-in rod, and then my old trusty Daiwa. This thing is a battle horse. It's a beast. Solid. It's only a 100 size, so it's not like real beefy for casting big swim baits and stuff, but it works. It's a beast of a reel. It's real solid. So I hope y'all enjoyed. This was a blast for me, and remember to fish, learn, repeat. Catch you on the next one. This just looks so good back here. It's a big pile of weeds.